let's do a no foundation makeup look, which you have already seen. And trust me, this is going to be very easy. I mean, this is what I say all the time. Everybody knows how to do a makeup, but I usually do it in a way so that it can be very helpful to you guys and easy so that you can achieve the same thing which you see on the Pinterest all the time, all over the internet. By the way, ignore my weird face allergy which I have here. So anyways, please ignore that. The first thing before doing any kind of makeup is to do your skincare, and I've already done my moisturizing thing. Then after this, I'm going to use this Dalba spray serum, which is very amazing and it suits my skin very well. You can already see I have very sensitive skin because of this. So I'm going to spray it on all over my face. I'm gonna let this setting spray dry so that I can move with my makeup part. First thing which I'm gonna take is this e.l.f. color corrector because I need to do the color correction. As you can see, I have a lot of dark circles. Not a lot of them, but I still have it and I need to make it even. So I'm gonna apply it on my face, under my eyes and around this area. Then I'm gonna blend this color corrector because in the base makeup, color correction is the most important part when you don't have uneven skin tone. I'm just gonna roughly blend this color correction because there's no need to be very specific, and I'm not gonna invest any extra energy into this color correction. I'm gonna take the green color corrector because you can see I have redness here or allergy. So I'm gonna first conceal it, and to do it, I'm gonna take a green color corrector and then I'm gonna spot conceal this very little bit because on this I'm going to apply the lipstick or the lip gloss, so there's no need to be very specific about it. I'm just gonna do the spot concealing wherever I have the redness, especially these small red bumps, and also around my nose and here because this is also, and I need to conceal it or else it's gonna look really bad on camera. I'm gonna take only the concealer, which is the same shade of my skin tone. This is from L'Oreal and this is the exact same shade of my skin tone, and I'm gonna apply it on all over my face, and this gives a really nice coverage. And I'm just gonna apply it very roughly with this applicator, and especially under my eyes because they need to get concealed very much as I don't have even skin tone. I'll be taking this big brush and I'm gonna blend this concealer on all over my face by doing it like this. I'm not gonna drag it, I'm just gonna do it like this. And also on my eyelids because they also need to look even according to my rest of the face. After blending this concealer, again I'm gonna take a setting spray because I feel this is kind of looking very dry according to me. And if you wanna skip this setting spray step, you can skip this, but I'm gonna do it. Just gonna apply the same setting spray on my face. You can take any of your favorite which suits your skin tone or your skin type. And you can see my base makeup is looking more dewy and glossy. I love to do my makeup very glossy and dewy. I don't like matte base makeup. I really hate that because I feel it doesn't suit my skin type, neither my facial features. It kind of compete with it, so that's why I never do it. Now I'm gonna take this Milani concealer. This is 2 shades lighter to my skin tone, and I'll be applying it under my eyes because I want them to look a bit bright. And I'm just gonna apply it, and I'm also gonna apply it here because I want my nose to look very sharp and edgy, and also here as I want my face to look lifted. So I'm just doing this thing, and also here. Then I'm gonna blend this concealer underneath my eyes as I want them to look very bright, and also I'm gonna blend it towards my eyelids so that they can also look very bright. Even though I like dewy base, but still we need to set it with the loose powder or else it's gonna turn oily after some time. I'm gonna take this loose powder which is from Maybelline, and this is the exact same shade of my skin tone. And you can also take a translucent powder or a 2 to 3 shades lighter powder, but I'm gonna take this one because this sets my makeup really amazing and looks very natural, which I really like. I'm gonna apply it or set my under eyes with this loose powder. Now again I'm gonna use the setting spray because I feel this is looking very matte, and to melt all this powder I'm gonna take setting spray. I'm gonna spray it on my face. First I'm gonna remove any buildup on my brows because they need to look very clean. Then I'm gonna take this brow pencil which is from e.l.f. and I'm going to first brush them with this spoolie and in the upward direction so that I can set them first and have that idea where I have to fill them and where not. And I'm just gonna do it. And I'm gonna fill my brows with this pencil. This is the same shade of my natural eyebrow color. And I'm gonna just make a really soft line from the front side, and then I'm gonna blur this line into my brows so that it can give me a very natural kind of makeup, as I really like to have something which looks very natural when it comes to the makeup part. I don't like to keep things very extra. Then I'm gonna fill all the gaps in my brows and then make a tail from the end. And then I'm gonna brush my brows so that it can blend all the harsh lines into my brows. After doing my brows, let's go for the eye makeup. And to do it, first I'll be taking this beige shade to set my eyes, as they need to look very matte. After setting my eyes with the loose powder or the eyeshadow, I'm going to take this brown shade from the same palette on a blending brush and I'm gonna apply it on my crease line. Then I'm gonna blend this towards my brows. Also, I'm gonna blend it into my lower lash line. I'm going to take this shade which is lighter than this one, and I'll be blending it towards my outer corner so that this area can look more soft. And you can see this is giving very soft smoky look, and this is what I want to have. Then I'm gonna pick this golden shade and I'm gonna apply it in my inner corner till my half lid. Then I'm gonna pick this black shade on flat brush or very angular kind of brush, and then I'm gonna make a wing liner, very soft wing liner. Okay, like this. And I'm gonna extend my inner corner with this shade, and here as well. I'm also gonna smoke this same black shade in my lower lash line, but I'm not gonna do it till here. I'm just gonna do it till my half lid. And I'll be taking this mascara which is from Makeup Revolution. This gives a very subtle kind of a volume which I really like. I'm just gonna apply it. After the eye makeup, I'm gonna move towards the bronzer part which is from Essence, and I'm gonna apply this bronzer here. This gives a very subtle kind of warmth to your face and I really like that. And I'm gonna apply it on my cheekbone and forehead very little bit because I already have a very tan kind of a forehead, and also a bit here, not too much, a very little. Now I'll be blending this into my hairline. I'm not gonna take this downwards or else my face is gonna look very droopy, so I'm just gonna blend it towards my hairline, and you can see this is giving a very subtle kind of a warmth to my face. And I'm also gonna blend it here. I'm gonna blend it towards my brows. Now after the bronzer, I'm gonna take the blush which is from Mars, and this is a very vibrant blush. First I'm gonna take this on the back of my hand. This is very pigmented. First I'm gonna warm this up on the back of my hand, and you can see this is very amazing. And then I'm gonna apply it over my bronzer, and I'm just gonna apply it here. Then I'll be picking a lip liner which is from Nykaa. I'm just gonna line my lips with this. Just only gonna apply this lip gloss which is from Makeup Revolution. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Did you find it easy and useful? And if you did, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.